Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can delete like mentions and messages on Discord all at once, like on a Discord server. So open up Discord and select a server, and as you can see you have these like dots right here and like these sort of mentions. Like for instance, if you have like those everyone mentions and you just want to open it without having to open up the channel, just press Shift Escape on your keyboard and it'll delete all of your mentions like that in one go. So just press Shift Escape on your keyboard to delete all of that in one go. That is basically it. It is super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!